Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am showing you how I created this lilac eyeshadow makeup tutorial. Yeah. So if you like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know of any other videos you would like to see next from me. But yeah, this is a beautiful lilac color, and we're almost done with that Milani eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start off with the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. And then I'm going to put it on my eyes and blend it out with my fingers. I find this works best with this eyeshadow. Really, I don't know if I've even tried to blend it out with a brush, but the fingers work out great, so I've never had to, venture out. I really want to get that ColourPop lilac palette. But anyway, this is the Milani Gilded Pastel eyeshadow palette, and the star of the show today is the It Factor color, which you see right here. And yeah, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to first start off making a fake cut crease, or not a fake cut crease, but what's the word as I'm looking for? Anyways, I'm going to make a crease because my crease is actually a lot lower than what I make. Then I'm just going to fill in the eyelid. And then I'll blend it out after I packed it on, just so it's, it's very effortless looking. Well, it is effortless, really. And then I'm going to use my Joah Line Up Liquid Eyeliner, waterproof, in the color Blackest Black. And I'm going to create kind of a bigger eyeliner, or cat eye. And as you can tell, it is a very easy felt tip eyeliner. It's very black, and I find it pretty much matte. I mean, it's very black, so, and I use it every day. Here is the Joah Make Her Jealous Gel Eyeliner. Y'all know I love this one so much. I use it on a daily basis anytime I need a black eyeliner. But yeah, I'm just putting it on my eyeline before going in with my falsies. This is a very affordable brand. It's only sold at CVS, the Joah brand, but you can also get it on the website. Now I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Y'all know I love this mascara too. Very affordable. I think it's under $4. But yeah, I'm just going to coat my top lashes with this. And as you can tell, I have very short eyelashes, but it does a really good job. I find it's one of the best, even using higher end mascaras. Some don't compare to this. Now this is my last day I'm going to be using these lashes, by the way. I think it's like the third or fourth time I've used them. But they're the LA Colors Diva Lashes, and I'm going to be putting that on with my Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. And yeah, these work great. And these lashes are only like $1, and I get them at Dollar General most of the time because that's really close to the house. So when I just need to go 5 minutes down the road, there they are. Alright, now this is the Joah Pore De-Activator Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. I'm almost out of this stuff, and I'm going to miss it so much. I really do need to put it on my repurchase list, because like today, my skin was so freaking dry. And I know it says mattifying primer, but I don't feel like it's mattifying. Maybe it's just something that makes your skin not want to produce oil or something, but mine doesn't really anyways. But this is the Joah Truly Yours Dark Circle Corrector in the color Brightener. And I'm going to use this as a concealer because it is a concealer. And I'm going to blend it out with a brush. As you can tell, it's very easy to blend out. Very quick and easy. It's just 1, 2, 3 swipes and then blend it into the skin. And the brightener color is like perfect for my skin color, to be honest. And I think that's the whitest color. Alright, this is the Joah Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer. And I like to use the darkest shade of Cocoa for a contour. Or to bronze up the face. I never really played with cream contour, so this is my first time using it, but I think it works great. And I'm still using it in different ways, trying to figure out how I like the look best or how I think it's the easiest to apply. So you see me trying a different way here, which it worked out great, but all the ways I've tried has worked out great, to be honest. This one is the same thing. It's the Joah Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer, but this is in my skin tone color in Vanilla. And I'm going to just put this in the areas where I would put, or I don't want the contour really, or some places that I want to illuminate. So under the eyes, under the nose, the upper lip, and below to chisel out the contour a little bit. Now I'm going to use the Joah Selfie Ready Setting Powder in the color Translucent. I'm going to focus it under the under eyes at first, so I won't get any creases. And then I'm going to use a big fluffy brush to do the rest of my face. And yeah, I really love this powder. I am so low on it. So low on it. This is going to be another need to be repurchased product. Now I'm going to use the Joah Brow Down To Me Precision Brow Pencil in the color, I think it's just called brown. Yeah. Oh, wait. No, I grabbed the wrong pencil doing the voiceover, but it's not the, wait, is this it? Yeah, this is it. Okay, it's not brown. What is this? I just found it and then I lost it. I think it was called Cool Taupe. Yeah, Cool Taupe. And then I'm going in back in with mascara, and I'm doing my lower lash line with that It Factor color. Now I'm doing my blush with the Milani 01 Romantic Rose Powder Blush. It's a perfect blush, especially with this springy look. I thought about getting more of a corally looking color, but this one was a little bit better and not as bright. And then I'm going to use the Joah, I forgot what this is called, and I didn't grab it off my makeup table. But I think it's pretty much the only highlight that looks like in that round compact. But it's one of their newer Crystal Glow collection items. Now I'm using the Joah Crystal Glow Refreshing Luminizer Skin Mist. Really fine mist on this thing. Then I'm using the Makeup Obsession, which is Makeup Revolution lip gloss in the color Hooked. And that's a perfect color to go with this eye combo. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this Lilac eyeshadow makeup tutorial. And like I said before, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see from me next. And yeah, I hope all you buddies are doing great. And I will see you next time. Bye.